Good morning, everyone. This is Ayushi. Let's continue our English class for class 7th. So, students, after completing our topic adjectives, now today we are going to start pronouns. So, without any waste of time, let's get started.
Yes, students. First of all, we are going to tell you the answers of yesterday's homework. In that, I gave you fill in the blank with the comparative form of the given adjectives. Now, in this, you can see over here, there is dash water in this bottle than in that. So, here we are talking about that is less water. So, you can see here less is given. Okay. So, that is this less is your comparative form of little. Fine. Second one, I have become wiser over the years. Now see again, comparative form you have to keep in your mind. There is comparison between two only. Okay, so here I have become wiser means the previous year and the upcoming years, the comparison is between them. That's why, and for making you confused students, I have used here wiser. Okay, so already I have given here comparative form. It doesn't mean that you will change the form. That's something else you have to put. You should know the form, whatever the comparison. So wiser will be only answer. Fine. Villages are usually less polluted than cities. Now here we could put here more also. But according to the sense of the sentence, we have put less and as we have done here little, so the comparative form of little is less. So because of this only we have put here less. Why? Because in the villages we found less polluted. Okay, I am feeling much dash today than I did yesterday. Comparison between today as well as yesterday, so that is better. Fine. More often than not people make this mistake. Now many, the comparative form of many will be more. Fine. Children are usually more intelligent than we think they are. Intelligent form that is more. Okay. The more intelligent and most intelligent. Fine. The result is far farther than what you told me. Means the two ways that you told and the second one that you did not tell. Fine. So the comparative form is farther. Farther means we are talking about the distance that is far away. Okay, so that is farther. Okay, that's why we have used here farther. You have never met a more generous person than Stephen. Now see means any other person and Stephen. We are doing comparison between two only. That's why again the comparison between two we have used here more generous. Fine. The next one, Rekha is the prettier of the two sisters. Now you will say, ma'am, in the blank you told, before the blank if we are getting the. After that we have to use superlative degree, means EST form. But you have used here comparative. What is the reason? See students, the first of all you have to see the comparison is given between whom. Like here, the comparison is given between two only. Whenever the comparison is given between two, all the time you have to use the form of comparative. So, the form is prettier. And then prettiest, when we have to use prettiest, when more than two persons comparison is given. Okay. Of these two pair of shoes, which one will last longer? Okay, again these two pairs telling the comparison between two. That's why we have used here longer. Understood? So I hope you have done your homework carefully. Now the next one we have, that is pronoun. So pronoun, as we know noun we have done, all the replacing words are called noun. So here pronoun, a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. The word they, she, he and it are used in place of nouns. We call them pronouns. Fine. Pronouns are words that replace nouns. Like you can see here, he is a girl and this girl, whether I can call her she or her according to the sentence. If I'm starting the sentence, then I'll use she. She is a good girl and she has a book in her hand. Fine. So for the girl I am going to use she or her. For more than persons are there, whether he is a boy or she is a girl, I am going to use them or they. Fine. For the non-living thing or animals, I am going to use it. Fine. So whatever the name is given, we are going to replace it. So all the replacing words of nouns are called pronoun. Fine. Now we have total here in our class 9 kinds of pronoun. The first one we have personal pronoun, second one possessive. Now as we have different kinds of pronouns, the first one personal pronoun, then possessive, then reflexive, then emphatic, then distributive, demonstrative, indefinite, relative and interrogative pronoun. Fine. So but today we are not going to do it together all. Now the first pronoun is personal pronoun. In this, see student, by the name itself you can easily understand that is person. Okay, so means we are talking about here particular person, but in that personal pronouns are not limited to people and can also refer to animals and objects. Like you can see I, you, we, he, she and they. These all we use for the persons. Fine, but it we use for the animals as well as for the objects, or we can say for the non-living thing. Fine. And now you will say, ma'am, what are these two? Subject pronoun and object pronoun. So now you can see here, if subject pronoun is given, subject means if I am using anything for myself, so I am going to start, I am a girl. Okay. And the second sentence, if I am saying like this, I am going to make a tea for me. So me also for me only and I also for me only. But I have used in the beginning. It means that is a subject. Okay. But me I have used at the end. It means this I have used as the object. We have done already object. Where do we use object? After the verb. So after the verb, if you are getting the words, the pronoun, those are called objects. Okay. Before the verb you are getting, those are called subject. Fine. And they all the words we are supposed to call them personal pronoun. Understood? Now the next one, see the subject, suppose the first singular person, singular one, we have three persons, first person, second person and third person. Fine. The first person singular I am going to use I, and for me the object will be me. Okay. You and you. In this subject and object both are same. Fine. Like I supposed to say the sentence, you are talking with your friend, or we can say you are talking to you. Like आप अपने आप से बात कर रहे हैं. So in the beginning and at the end we use only you. So you we count as singular also, as subjective also, and the objective case also. Fine. Third person, for he, him, she, her, and it will remain as it is, that is it. Like he gave a book to him. Okay, so he, that is him. She gave a pen to her. Fine. For the girl, for any other girl, Neha gave a book to her. To her means any other girl, she has given the pen. Fine. So it will remain as it is, it only. Plural, as we know, we. If suppose we are going to picnic, so I am going to say we. Okay. We are going to picnic with our friend. So we in the beginning, that is subjective case. Fine. Are you making a cup of tea for us? Us also give the answer of we only, means क्या आप tea हमारे लिए बना रहे हैं. So that is there also we have to use us, we have used, but the meaning is same, but at the end we have used, that is our object. You, as I told you, will remain same. They will convert them. This is a very small thing and you must be knowing all these. Now the next kind we have possessive pronoun. Student, as we have done possessive adjective also, this is the same one. Possessive, that is means ownership. Okay, means this thing belongs to me, belongs to you, belongs to her or anyone. Fine. A possessive pronoun replace a possessive adjective plus noun to avoid repeating information that is already clear. See, both are same, but the difference is adjective we use possessive. So here we use possessive adjective plus noun. Okay, like this book is my book, not your book. Fine. So here you can see book, book and book. 3 times book is given. Okay. But my book and your book, these are adjectives, because after my and your, noun is given. But you can see if I am going to change the sentence, this book is mine, not yours. So this book is mine, not yours. Meaning is same कि ये book मेरी है, आपकी नहीं है. but I have used mine and yours, and after this we don't require any kind of noun. That's why this is our possessive pronoun. So the major difference between these adjective and pronoun, in adjective you always get noun, okay, but in pronoun you will not get any noun. Fine. Like see here difference, my shirt, but this shirt is mine. Your book is new, the book is yours. His pillow is soft, the pillow is his. Her dog is small, the dog is hers. Its bone is old, and we don't use its as a possessive pronoun, so its is not that pronoun only. Our bird is noisy, the bird is ours. Your house is big, and the house is yours. Their car is slow, the car is theirs. Now you can see in this, wherever you are getting the noun, so those are adjectives after these words, and if you are not getting the noun after these words, they are possessive pronoun. Meaning is same, but sense is different. Okay. Now as you can see here, are these Alice's keys or yours? So this yours is our pronoun, but your keys, that is our adjective. Ours pronoun, our seats adjective. His pronoun, his watch adjective. Difference, in adjective you will get noun, in pronoun you will not get noun. Understood? Now the next one we have reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun, generally they are the word they end with self. Okay. When in singular form, self in singular form, like myself, itself, herself, yourself, himself, ours, himself. Okay. But in the plural form we use selves, like yourselves. You all students are talking to yourselves. Means more than one student is there. Plural, that's why yourselves. Fine. They is already plural, that's why themselves. Are is already plural, that's why ourselves. Fine. And are only applied whenever the subject and the object of a sentence are similar. For example, I did it by myself. Now what does this line mean? Like subject is I. Okay. So I reflexive will be myself. A reflexive pronoun can function as a direct or indirect object. English grammar we have two kinds, like singular, plural. So now let's see further. One more table I have. What do we use for I, myself, you, yourself for singular, and you, yourselves for plural. Like see, I have told myself that a couple of times. That is I, myself. Instead of diagnosing yourself every time you get unwell, consult a physician in advance. It means only we are talking about a one person. Fine. Yourselves, prepare yourselves. The guest of honor will be arriving any time from now. Means person is pointing out more than one people. That's why prepare. Now see, he himself, he bought himself a new tablet. She herself, Mary cheated to herself. This is the right time for a vacation. It itself, without a good foundation, the house wouldn't withstand storms by itself. We ourselves, we thanked ourselves as we plural, that's why ourselves, for attending the meeting on time. Them, themselves, they managed themselves very well as members of the conference panel. So, wherever we are going to use singular subject, we have to use self. Wherever we are going to use plural one, like we have to use selves, plural. Fine. So, I hope you have understood. Student emphatic also, we have one more thing I just want to make you understand. That is, see, these are far away from the subject. Subject is I, and you can see myself between two words given. Okay. Here, that is you and yourself. Words, so many words are there. Okay. Here also, he and himself, words are there. Mary and herself. So, means with the subject, this one, personal reflexive pronoun is far away. Okay. But in the emphatic case, you will see it usually comes immediately after the noun or pronoun, although it may also come at the end of the sentence. See, he himself wrote the song, he picked his son himself. But many of the time, you will get these words just after the subject. Okay, many of the time. Now see here. Like emphatic pronouns are pronoun form which emphasize, because we are going to pressurize. Okay, we are going to emphasize of that particular subject on the importance of the noun or pronoun. Like I myself saw the masked thief. You yourself should learn to do it. He himself cooked a meal for dinner. She herself agreed to help me. We ourselves will support you. They themselves volunteered to clean the school compound. Okay, now you can see this is the major difference to identify. Reflexive pronoun, these self word will far away from the subject. Emphatic one, they will be attached. Emphatic attached, reflexive one, they will far away from the subject. Okay. Now this is the classwork student. You have to write down the definition and then kinds of pronoun. After this is your same as the exercise we have done. The first one is I can only help you so much. You have to do the rest yourself. Now see, we are talking about you. Okay, that's why we have used here yourself. Okay, as we have done 4 tense: personal, possessive, reflexive and emphatic. So accordingly you have to fill the answer. Tony was ashamed of himself. Okay, so Tony is name of a boy. That's why himself, because he had lied to his parents. So according to the some of the time it happens in the single blank you can get more than one answers. Okay, people who take care of themselves. Now people plural. That's why themselves have a better chance of staying healthy. All of you have done a very good job. You should be proud of yourselves. Why? Because all of you is plural. That's why yourselves. Aryan, name of a boy, did his work by himself. Okay, so according to the meaning of the sentence we have to put the answer. Anish exclaimed, the tires of our car are punctured. Where shall we go to get them repaired? Definitely कि हमें किन्हें repair करना है? The tires of the car. Okay, so for the tires, non-living thing but plural. That's why we have to use here them. Don't you worry, sir, I can do it. Definitely anything, for any object we can use here it. It's a really easy job for me, replied the watchman. Okay, she said, if you are ready, we shall start. Now you will say, ma'am, we can put here anything also, like she said, if they are ready, we shall start. That is also right. So according to the sentence you can put even more than that. I have lost a lot of weight. Look at me, my mother said to me. Now you will say, ma'am, why we are going to use I only? See student, at the end we have found me. My mother said to me. It means here somewhere I am available in the blank or anywhere. Because of this only we came to know we have to use here I. I have lost a lot of weight. Look at me, my mother said to me. Okay. We along with their neighbors had bought 2 LCD TVs last month from the same shop. My neighbors say that ours is working fine. Ours means हमारा TV. That TV we are talking about. But theirs often has problems. Okay, but theirs means उनके TV में problem है. That's why we have used singular one. So anything according to the sentence you have to put here. Now this is your homework. In this simply you have to put the personal pronoun. Okay, I have given even options also. So be careful what you have to put and then give your answer. Fine. Thank you.